This is VIVO V15 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. So firstly, you will need to find and launch the Google Drive app that should come pre-installed with the system on your phone, unless you have manually previously deleted it somehow. If that's your case, just get it for free from the Google Play Store. Anyway, once you've launched the Google Drive app, tap at this plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then hit the scan icon or scan option. Onwards, grant the camera access to Google Drive, and then simply take a photo of whatever document you wanted to scan. So here is mine. I will try to take the best picture that I can. And the following interface allows you to edit your scan. You can, for example, frame the part of the photo you took that you would like to actually result in the PDF file. So that's the area of the picture that you would like to, be the scan itself. Then you can change the color scheme, as well as rotate, or actually I've accidentally gotten back instead of rotating, so let me just quickly retake the photo. So I will properly frame it once again, or somewhat properly. And then, once you're ready to save it, you gotta simply tap at this check icon over here, and the scan gets saved. Wait until it will be uploaded to your Google Drive, and here it is. So that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.